In today's video, I'm going to teach you guide how to get and use extra credits in Base 44. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to share your referral link so you can start earning credits that reduce your costs. First, open the Base 44 app in your browser and head to your account. Once you're in, look for the option labeled Upgrade Your Plan. This is usually easy to spot from the main account view, and it takes you straight to the billing area. Even if you're not changing plans today, this is the quickest route to the place where credits and referrals live, so it's the right starting point for this walkthrough. On the billing page, you'll see the available plans. Go ahead and select any plan to view its details. Don't worry. You're not committing to a purchase just by looking. Think of this as navigating deeper into the billing section so the interface shows everything related to subscriptions and credits. You can compare options if you'd like, but our main focus is the referral feature found in this section. Now, look to the top right of the billing page for a small gift icon. This icon opens the referral panel. Click it, and a compact window or sidebar will appear with your unique referral link. This link is tied to your account and is how Base44 tracks the credits you earn. Inside that panel, click the referral link to reveal the full URL, then copy it. You can share this link with colleagues, clients, or friends, anyone who might benefit from Base44. When they use your link to sign up or subscribe, you earn credits. These credits typically apply automatically to your billing, showing up as a balance that reduces future charges. If you're exploring plans or preparing to upgrade, those credits help lower your total at checkout or on your next invoice. A few quick tips to make this work smoothly. Share the exact link provided in the referral panel so it tracks correctly, and give a brief note about why you recommend Base44 to improve conversions. If you're posting in a team workspace or sending an email, paste the link clearly so it's easy to click. You can always return to the billing page and the gift icon later to check your link and revisit the referral details. That's it. Open Base44, go to Upgrade Your Plan, explore the plan view, click the gift icon, and share your referral link to earn credits that automatically offset your costs. Thanks for watching, and happy saving with your extra credits in Base44.